In this episode of Polygel Nail, you will learn how to turn these nails into this nail. As usual, we did a perfect manicure and prepared the nail plate to apply polygel. We clean and dehydrate all parts of nail plate. Then we use gel primer and let it to be active. For the next step, we use a thin layer of clear rubber base and cure it in lamp for 60 seconds. As you see, for the next step, we use of acrylic gel. It's a type of hard gel. We want to strengthening the free edge and half part of nail plate with acrylic gel. We use wood pusher. You can use polygel brush too. We fix it and shape it on the nail plate, then we cure it in lamp for 60 seconds. As you know, in this series of polygel nail tutorial, I learn you the newest method of gel nail, and it's very good for you to do it for your customers. We use a carbide e-bead to file the acrylic gel. Remember that we should file free edge and under the nail too. For a more beautiful result, you can use a milky rubber base or any color of soft builder gel or other color of rubber gel. You know, it's based on your favor or your customer favor. We cure this layer in UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. And for the last step, we use a layer of top coat and cure it in lamp again. Finally, we use hand file to filing free edge and make free edge a little thinner. So thankful for watching this video till the end. Please like it, share this video, comment for me and subscribe my channel.